When I first arrived here in 1992, I had no idea what was in store for Reha in Mexico. We had a lead that I was working on in Erlangen in Germany. And if you had told me that that lead would turn into full mobilization and ramp up in Mexico, I wouldn't have believed you.
What you have to understand about Reha is we have been innovators from the start, collaborating with the machine industry to making something that signifies quality and consistency for our customers.
Sure, we've had some challenges along the way. Our teams have had to adapt to a lot of changes and new processes, but I think they've really demonstrated that with camaraderie, hard work and focus, anything is achievable.
You learn a lot about the place and its people while obstacles are in the way. In the past few years, we have faced rough headwinds in our plant in Valle-d'Urfey. In 2022, we were faced with hard decision to relocate our plant to Celaya. Our people have shown great strength and commitment despite this turbulence, reaffirming our mutual respect.
So with our hearts in our hands, we began this journey to lay the foundations for the future of our Furniture Solutions division in the Americas.
We as a company were moved by the commitment of our teams in Canada as they continued to fulfill customer orders, affording our colleagues here in Celaya the necessary time to prepare for successful transfer and to carry the torch forward. The loyalty and dedication of our area teams across 3 continents shows how our core value of trust drives past, present, and future success.
This new plant in Celaya is the next step for us to be whole again and to push beyond barriers of the past and honor the legacy of those who have carried the business forward with devotion and loyalty throughout these years.
Comenzamos la construcción de Celaya 3 para nuestra división de soluciones en muebles con la idea de hacer una planta que apoyara el crecimiento y la capacidad de cumplir y superar las expectativas de nuestros clientes de una manera holística.
Con esta nueva planta se consolida la fuerza de Reha, no tan solo de calidad, sino en eficiencia en la entrega de productos a nuestros clientes. El eco de nuestra expansión traerá muchos beneficios para nuestros clientes actuales y potenciales. Nos posicionará como un jugador más competitivo tanto en los mercados norteamericanos como en los locales y nos distinguirá nuestro servicio.
Estamos asegurando el futuro de Reha, aprovechando el impulso que hemos logrado para arrancar las siguientes olas de producción aquí en Celaya.
Planta Celaya 3 va a llegar a impactar muchísimo.
The idea that something as seemingly invisible as an edge band has grown into a product that is a staple of our excellence, truly remarkable.
At first glance, it looks like such a simple piece of plastic. But once you times that by the number of widths, the number of dimensions, the number of colors, the number of decors, the number of embossing, the number of finishes. And on top of all of that, our commitment to the market to have the best match available for the board, then suddenly it turns into something that's very, very complex.
Anytime we do a plant transfer, we know that our customers are going to hold us at a higher standard. Celaya 3 plant opening for us means that we have a new platform to service our market. A whole new plant built purely for edge bend. It is impressive to look at.
Es la planta más compleja, puesto que trabajamos con PVC rígido, flexible, laser edge, ABS, PP, y con esto estamos cubriendo el mercado principalmente de Canadá y de Estados Unidos. México originalmente está importando productos de Brasil y de Alemania. Ahora estamos creando desarrollos para crear artículos para el mercado nacional mexicano.
This new site represents the most technologically advanced edge bend plant in North America. We are making a promise to our North American customers that we are ready to serve them to grow their business for years to come.
This accomplishment and its strategic meaning can't be underestimated. Plant Celaya 3 opening is a total game changer and allows for us to grow in a big way with possibilities that feel unlimited. It's quite inspiring, and I'm proud of the work the team has done. I can't express how delighted and thankful I am to all of the local and global teams involved for making this our biggest accomplishment yet.
I had the opportunity to visit many plants in my career. Celaya 3 is a very emotional experience. Walking through the bright plant at its leading edge, this is an opening into a whole new world for us.
It is clear this is the new chapter for Mexico. Our workforce here is empowered with enthusiasm and optimism of its vibrant culture and the caring hands of our teams on the lines, who embody all the best that Real has to offer.
Las impresiones de las personas que nos visitan son las mismas. ¡Wow! Está increíble, está muy iluminada, es enorme, el área de servicios está muy bien organizada, está pensada para el crecimiento futuro. La motivación del personal ha sido algo emocionante. O sea, la gente está orgullosa de su trabajo, demostrando que quieren que la planta corra de la mejor forma posible. Nos están mostrando con su trabajo que estamos saliendo adelante.
Plant Celaya 3 speaks to the pioneering spirit of Real. From those early days, when we started production in a rented warehouse in 1993, our goal was clear. If you are going to make something, make it with the intention that it serves for generations to come.
Somos Real.
Somos Real.
We are Real.
Somos Real.
Nous sommes Real.
Somos Real.
We are Real.